If you have a DUI in Whatcom County or Skagit County and your breath test is under 0.08, you might be wondering how the government can prove the case against you. Well, they will tell you most likely that they can with something called retrograde extrapolation. So, retrograde extrapolation works like kind of rewinding time for blood alcohol levels. Forensic experts take a person's current BAC and then calculate backwards to estimate, guess, really, what it was hours earlier. They use the fact that your body eliminates alcohol at a relatively predictable rate, roughly 0.015% per hour. All right, well, here's how it works. So let's say a police officer arrests a driver, then about 2 hours later, 2 hours after driving, they get a BAC of 0.065, so below the legal limit. Well, experts can then estimate that the BAC of the driver was actually around 0.095 2 hours earlier when driving. Therefore, the BAC was above 0.08 when driving. However, it's not quite as simple as prosecutors will make it sound. So, is retrograde extrapolation accurate? No. Retrograde extrapolation fails when people have, for example, different metabolism rates. We're not all the same. Unknown drinking patterns, medical conditions, or the question is, were they still absorbing alcohol? Individual factors and the lack of knowledge, frankly, by the government or their experts make standardized elimination rates unreliable and therefore retrograde extrapolation unreliable. And if you've been arrested or charged with DUI in either Skagit or Whatcom County, please give my law firm a call. The only thing we do in our practice is represent those accused of DUI.